Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make your Instagram appear offline, preventing anyone from finding out if you're currently online on Instagram. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Play Store or App Store and ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, open Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to your profile page. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy at the top of the options. Scroll down to find the option called Messages and Story Replies under the How Others Can Interact with You section. Tap on it. Here, you'll find various options, one of which is Show Activity Status. Tap on it, and this is what you're looking for. Make sure to toggle it off. Once it's off, nobody will be able to tell if you're online on Instagram. However, keep in mind that you won't be able to see if someone else is online on Instagram either. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If it was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this. Thank you for watching.